Hey guys. So, you know how I have two cats, right? Well, they kind of chased down a bird, and we have a bird in our house now. So, this video is going to be about me saving a bird's life. Yeah. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Yeah, okay. But anyways, let's get into this video, and here's the bird. It should pop up any second now. I said any second now. Okay. Oh. So that's the bird, and right now, I really don't know what to do with it. So we fed it, and we gave it water, and it's happy now. We put it in a little box so it wouldn't fly away, because its wings are kind of messed up, because one of my cats, Otis, chewed off a wing, part of a wing, so it's flies uneven and runs into walls, and it's kind of sad. Here, I'll show you what it looks like right now. And alright, so I'm gonna go downstairs right now. See you downstairs. So I'm approaching bird.
Great video.
Thank you. Okay. Let me open this box. And the bird's in here. And as you can see, it's right here. Water. Here's its food right here. Put it in a syringe. And yeah, that's the bird right there. We put it on a heated pad, and so it's kind of warm now. And yeah, let me close up this. Yeah, that's the bird, and I don't know what to do right now. So yeah. So let's just get on to this video. I don't really know what to do right now. Trick shot montage, I guess. Alright. Load this up. I have the Alpha Trooper CS12 right now with a scope and a 35 clip, I think. Actually, it's a 35 magazine, but yeah. Yeah, pretty sure it's 35. And I'm gonna hit this thing right here, whatever that is. Yeah, okay, that was stupid. Alright, well, I have nothing to do right now, so let's do a montage on me writing on a chalkboard, or I don't know. I'm gonna draw something. Are you ready for this? You're about to see a master at drawing. Alright, well, I'm done drawing. Hello, self. How you doing? Alright, well, that was almost done. Just have to fill in the details. Alright, I'm a master at drawing. That's the best draw in the world. Alright, so here's my drawing. Guess what it is? Leave a comment down below, and you'll get gratitude. Yeah, you'll gratitude if you guess what it is. And no, it's not a cat or dog. You have to guess what it is. You guys want me to tell you what it is? You guys are gonna have to smash that like button. Let's see if we can get. Let's see. Dad, how many likes do you think this video wants to get? Smash that like button. He said 3 likes. Let's see if we can get 3 likes. I will be very happy if we get 3 likes, and yeah. Well, I think I might end the video here. I'm not really sure if I should or not, because I didn't really do anything this video. But yeah, we'll just end the video here.